Sorry you're not in school today. Go ahead and still get out your math packet and take some notes. Make sure you try to do your warm up in Canvas if you get onto it early enough. And then fill out your planner. You can copy that from Canvas also. And then show me that when you're back at school or send me a picture. Alright, so notes for 900. Circumference and perimeter. So here's the definition of perimeter. The distance around a figure. So to find the circumference or the perimeter, you just add up all the sides of the figure. So on this one we go 6 plus 8 plus 10, and that would give us 24 inches. Alright, so the next one, if you look at all the sixes there that we have, there are 6 of them, so you can either go 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, or you could have gone 6 times 6 and got 36 also. And in this triangle, for the perimeter, you're going to go 7 plus 7 plus 3. And that'll get you 17 inches. Alright, let's turn the page. So hopefully that perimeter was easy. That's from 6th grade. Alright, so circle. That is from, basically if you go from any point, equal distance all the way around a point in the center, I'd make a circle. The radius goes from the center of the circle to any point on the edge of the circle. And the diameter goes all the way across from one end of the circle to the other, but it has to pass through the center. So the diameter, if you need to find the diameter, you take 2 times the radius. And if you need to find the radius and they give you the diameter, you just divide the diameter in half by 2. Alright, so when you want to find if the diameter of the circle is 20 feet and you want to find the radius, you can use the formula radius equals diameter divided by 2. So then you take the 20 divided by 2 and you end up with 10 feet. So the next one, if you notice, they give you the radius and you want to find the diameter. So on this one, you just basically take 2 times the radius, so 2 times 7, and you get 14 meters. So make sure you understand what they're looking for. So the diameter of a circle is 16, so find the radius. So we use this formula. So you take the diameter 16 divided by 2, you get 8. It says the radius of the circle is 9, find the diameter. So use D equals 2R, so 2 times the radius, 18. Now this one says what is the radius and what is the diameter. The radius would be 4 inches because it goes from the center of the circle to the side. That means the diameter would be 2 times the radius, so we go 2 times 4, so it'd be 8 inches. The distance around a circle is called the circumference. The ratio circumference over diameter is the same for every circle and is represented by the Greek letter pi. So whenever you see that little symbol, that's pi. The value of pi can be approximated by 3.14 or 22 over 7. Now we're going to use 3.14 most of the time. It's easier. That's what you have to use to be able to get the answer correct in big ideas, so make sure you're using 3.14. So, formula for circumference, that's the distance all the way around the circle. You can use pi times diameter or 2 pi r. So it really just depends. If they give you the diameter, use pi times diameter. If they give you the radius formula, or the radius, then use the formula with the radius, 2 pi r. And you're definitely going to want to use a calculator. So the 5 inches, that's the radius. So you use the c equals 2 pi r. So we go 2 times 3.14 times 5. So if you type that in a calculator, you end up with 31.4. And you do want to be careful because a lot of times they'll tell you to round to a certain place. Okay? So this one, the 14 goes all the way across the pool. So that's the diameter. If we're still doing warm-ups, that's probably a warm-up question. So I would do pi times diameter. 3.14 is pi times 14. Do that in calculator. 43.96 feet. And again on homework, check to see what place value it tells you to round. Alright, so this one we've got a $5 coin for the car wash token. That's 2 centimeters, that's the radius. So 2 pi r, 2 times 3.14 times 2. So all we're doing is plugging everything in for the formula. And we get 12.56. And that's it. Today's notes pretty quick and easy. So go ahead and work on the homework and big ideas.